Hey everyone, good day. Today is January 28, 2023, and I am going to be changing my Serpentine belt, or what some others call the drive belt, or the water pump belt, alternator belt. It's all the same, but I'm going to change the belt today. It's about 52 degrees. I'm making this video because I went on YouTube and I saw a guy pulling the whole engine mount just to do this process, and I knew there was an easier way to do this. So in me realizing that, I just decided to make this video. What you're gonna need for the most part is a 14 millimeter and a 15 millimeter wrench and a short Allen key. I have already taken off the passenger side tire, as you can see, remove the access panel, and I already have a second Allen key in here by the water pump, not the water pump, but by the tensioner pulley, to kind of help me do this job by myself. Just make sure you have good wrenches with the proper angles, because this first wrench I put on here, it's super close to the thermostat housing tube right here, and it doesn't give much clearance for the procedure that I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be swapping it out with a different style, and you'll see that it has a different angle. So we're going to go ahead and take this off and get right into this, and I'm going to set this camera up to get in here. Okay. As you can see, I have a lot more space in here now. I can do this method called a double wrench, and as I push, it's gonna release tension on the belt. At the same time, the Allen is on the bottom, and I'm gonna go over here and just push it in. There's a little keyhole there that, as you push that in, it's gonna hold the tensioner pulley in place, and then you're able to remove this belt a lot easier. And as you can see, it's starting to come off. All you have to do is route it through now. For the sake of time, I'm going to pause this now, fish the belt out, and then put it back on, and then restart the video. Okay, so I'm back. I've routed the belt through all the pulleys. It's a new one, so it's a little tighter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little extra pressure here. The Allen key is still in. Just apply a little pressure so I can route the remainder of the belt without ripping. And with that little bit of pressure, the belt is now on. I should be able to turn it slightly just to verify it's in all the grooves. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Just enough to make sure it's in track. It's not gonna jump off. Everything looks good. And now we'll proceed to take out the Allen key to apply the tension, and this job will be complete. Hopefully this helps you out a little bit easier than having to remove motor mounts or anything like that. Allen keys out, wrenches out. drive belt, serpentine belt is replaced. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video and it helps you